How to add moving average.in Tradingview, step by step, 2025. Step 1. Open a chart. Go to www.tradingview.com. Then log into your account. And click on Chart at the top to open the chart window. Step 2. Add the moving average indicator. At the top of the chart, click on Indicators FX icon. In the search bar, type Moving Average. Then click on the result labeled Moving Average, not Moving Average Exponential unless that's what you want. And the MA line will appear on your chart. Step 3. Customize the moving average. Hover over the newly added MA line on your chart. Click the gear icon, Settings, next to it. In the Settings window, for length, set the number of periods, e.g., 20 for a 20-day MA. For source, choose what data the MA is based on, e.g., close, open. And for style, change the color, thickness, and line type. After that, click OK, or just click outside the box to apply changes. And lastly, Step 4. Optional add multiple MAs. Repeat steps above to add more MAs, e.g., 50 MA, 200 MA for crossover strategies. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned something in this tutorial, but that was it then. See you again in the next video.